So, first question that comes into our mind is what is green finance? Is it finance that become greener over time? Like you invest money today and next year it turns green. Is it so? Or is it money you hide under plant so it grows? No, that's not the case. So, green finance is actually simple. It's just borrowing money with a promise. The promise is I am using this money for environmental stuff. That's it. But here's why companies are so obsessed with this. Okay, so imagine two companies need to borrow money. Company a normal company, want to borrow 100 crores. Bank says, okay, 15% interest. Company B, green company, want to borrow 100 crore for solar panels. Bank says, oh great, 14% interest for you. Company B is paying less. But why? Because the bank think if this company is investing in solar, they are thinking about the future. Less risky. I'm giving them a discount. That's green finance. Not about the money being green, about the company being smarter. So, why do companies actually do this green bond thing? The answer is simple they want cheaper loans. That's it. Not because they love trees, not because they love saving money. No, that's not the case. And when you see green finance question on your exam, don't panic. Just write three simple things. Number one is money side. Company pay less interest because investor want green bonds. But company also spend extra money on auditing, verification, etc. So basically saving is equal to less interest minus extra cost. Second one is risk side. So they say investor think green company is a safer company which has a lower risk. But there is a catch. If the company promises to be green and doesn't deliver that, everyone loses trust. And for this, share price falls. Third and last one is company value. Because interest is lower, the company become more valuable. And why? Because when you calculate company value via NPV, lower interest rate is equal to higher value. Write these three things and you will get the marks. Now, is this green finance is always good? I would say no. Some companies fake it. They call it green but don't really change anything. That's green washing. And it works until regulator catch them. Then stock crashes. And also one more thing. They are not always cheaper. They depend on market and extra cost piled up. Auditing, verification, certification. But if you genuinely sustainable, you worth it. That's all about green finance. And this is the first topic in technical articles that you're gonna see in AFM subject. See you next time with another technical article. Bye.